Hello everyone. Welcome to Spring Boot REST Tutorial Episode 3. In this video, I will explain you what is uniform interface in REST architecture. And I will also explain you the constraints on uniform interface. The behavior of accessing servers using REST API by all components, all devices, must be same. This is called uniform interface. The components here represents the various types of devices, like mobiles, PCs, laptops. Below you can see the examples of uniform interface. The way the mobile accesses the server, look at the left side image, must be in the same way the desktop accesses the server, look at the right side image. Now, let us see the constraints to make a REST as uniform interface. The first one will be identification of resources, typically using URIs. The URIs and endpoints always identify the resources specifically. See the example below. The next constraint will be the manipulation of resources through representations. Representations are nothing but the responses which the client receive. The client can use these representations to modify the resource state in the server. The next constraint will be self-descriptive messages for each request. Each request should carry enough information to describe what the request is all about, so that the server can completely understand the nature of the request. The last constraint will be hypermedia, in which the response will be provided with links, so that client can discover the other resources using the links. That's it. In this video, I have explained you on what is uniform interface. In the next video, I will explain you what is client-server architecture.